हा, कशा आहात विद्यार्थ्यांनो? मस्त मजेत, घरातच राहा, बाहेर पडू नका. काल आपण 9वीचं मॅथ्स 1 मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट पाहिला, 2.2 पाहिलं. आज आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 पाहायचंय. So today we are going to learn practice set 2.3, and that practice set 2.3 problem number 1 to 5 we are already learned yesterday. So today we want to learn the examples 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we start the problem number 6. So problem number 6 is a simplify. So this is the question for the simplify. So simplify the problem is given to us, that is the 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. See, this is the 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. So that problem is given to us and we want to simplify it. So how can we simplify it? See, the source is root 3. Here is the source is root 3. So the source number is same here. So whatever be the they are said, we can do directly here. Why it is so? Because see, root 3 is here. Here also root 3 is here. So the source number is same. So source number is not only same, but their order is also same. See, in the V shape there is not given number, so that is 2. In this V shape there is not given number, so that is 2. So see here, it is root 3, it is root 3. The source number are same, their order is same. Here is not given number, so here is 2. Here is not given number, so here is 2. So order is 2 and the source is 2. Source number is same, so we can do what they want to do. So they want to do addition, because here is showing the plus sign, so we can do addition of 5 plus 8. So see, the coefficient add here. So this coefficient is 5. Here is the plus sign, so I write here plus sign. Here is the 8 coefficient, so I write here 8. And source number is root 3, root 3. So here is written root 3. So 5 plus 8. What you get? 5 plus 8, 13. So 5 plus 8, 13 root 3. So this is the answer, 13 root 3. If someone is don't understand, I will again explain it. See, they are said simplify. Simplify means whatever they say to do, that you want to do it. Okay. So here is they are said you can do the addition. 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. So they are said you can do the addition of these two numbers. So if they are said the addition of the two numbers, so see, here is root 3, here is root 3. Okay, they are same. Then coefficient is here is 5, coefficient is here is 8. So root 3 they are same, their order is same, to order, because there is not given number in V shape, so order is 2 here. Here also not given number, so order is 2 here. So order and source number means which is having in square root sign, that is called source number. So that is root 3, here is root 3, they are same. So we can write root 3 single times because they are same. Then coefficient 5, so I write here coefficient 5. Then which sign is there? Plus sign, so I will give here plus sign. Then which coefficient is there? 8, so I will write here 8. So 5 plus 8, what you get? 5 plus 8 you are getting 13. So 13 root 3. Anyone doubts? Then we are going to learn problem number 2. So see, this is the problem number 2. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 125. So you are observe this problem. If you are observe this problem, then what you look like here? You are looking is that the source number here is root 5. Source number here is root 5. But source number here is not a root 5. Here is 125. So here is given the number 125. So that 125 number you are factorize such a way that in the source there must be having 5. So how can you factorize the 125 here? 25 into 5. 25 5 is 125. So you get why you are factorized 25 into 5 only, not another numbers, because here is order is 2. Because in V shape there is no number, that means that order is 2. So order is 2, so you are factorize the 125 such a way that one number square root must be get. So you are factorize that one number square root must be get. So which is that number? 25 into 5. Why 25 into 5? Because 25 square root is 5, that we can easily write. So we are factorize 125 such a way. See, 9 root 5 remain as it is, minus sign carry as it is, 4 root 5 remain as it is, plus sign carry as it is, root 5 carry as it is, minus sign carries as it is, root 5 or root 5 carries as it is, plus sign carries as it is, and third there is a 125. So in the square root number is 125, that is factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 25 into 5, 25 5s are 125. What will be the square root of 25? 5. So we get 5 root 5. So see this 9 root 5 as it is carry, minus sign carry as it is, 4 root 5 carries as it is, plus sign carries as it is, 25 into 5. So 25 square root is 5. So here is I write 5 root 5. Okay. So see here is root 5, here is root 5, here is root 5. So root number is same here. Okay. Root number is same. Which is that? Root 5. Which is that? Root 5. Which is that? Root 5. So the roots number which is having in this problem is same. So what can you do? We can write root 5 single times. Then we are taken the coefficient. Which is the coefficient? 9. Which is the sign? Minus. 9 minus. Which is the another coefficient? 4. 9 minus 4. Which is the another coefficient? 5. 9 minus 4 plus 5. So here is root 5, root 5, root 5. They are same. So that is common taken, and so that is right single times. Anyone doubts? Then this coefficient is 9, so I carry 9 as it is. This minus sign I carry as it is. This 4 carry as it is. This plus 5 carries as it is. 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4, what is remains? 5. Okay, 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4, what is remain? 5. 5 plus 5, what you get? 10. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10 root 5. Anyone doubts? If anyone doubts, I will again explain it. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 125. So this number carries as it is because it is root 5. It is also root 5. So they are kept as it is. But 125, you are factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So why you get the square root? Because order is 2. So we must be get the square root. So 125 factorize. 25 5s are 125. So 25 square root you know. So 25 square root is 5. So I write here 5 root 5. Okay. Then see root 5 is here. Root 5 is here. Root 5 is here. So I write single time root 5. Then coefficient is 9 minus coefficient is 4 plus coefficient is 5. So 9 minus 4, what is remain? 5. So 5 plus 5, what you get? 10. So you are getting 10 root 5. This is the answer. Then we are going to learn problem number 3, whatever it may be. Just see on a screen. So see, this is the 7 root. This is the 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. Such a problem is here. So if you are observe the problem number 3, in this problem you are look like that there is no number in the surds are same. No number in the surds are same means, see here is root 48, here is root 27, here is root 3, means root numbers are not same here. So what you want to do it? You want to do it that the root number must be same. So you want to do it that root number must be same. So which root number may be possible? So smallest root number is 3. So you can convert here also you getting root 3. Here also you must be get root 3. Okay. So again I ask you question, why you want to root 3 only? Why not you want another number there? Because see root 48, root 27 and root 3. So smaller number is root 3. It is a prime number also. So we want to get here root 3 only. So we are factorize the 48 such a way that one number square root must be get. Why again you want square root? Why not you want cube root? Because you want a square root, because in the V shape there is no number, mean they are having 2. So square root of 48 you want. Okay. In 27 there also in this V shape there is no number, so there is having 2. So square root is 20. You can find out square root of 27. So we want square root. So this 7 carries as it is. 48 can be factorized as 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. Why 16 3 is a 48? Because 16 square root we know that is a 4 and root 3 remains there. So 48 can be factorized. 16 3 is a 48. So here is I write 16 3 is a 48. 16 square root I know. 27 9 3 is a 27. 9 square root I know. So see, this 7 carries as it is. 48 can be factorized as 16 3 is a 48. Why 16 3 is a 48? Because 16 square root we know that is a 4. So 48 is factorized as 16 3 is a 48. Anyone doubts? Then see, 27 is here. So 27 is factorized 9 3 is a 27. 9 3 is a 27. So 9 square root is 3. So I write there 3. Then root 3 is remain as it is. So 16 square root is 4. 7 into 4 root 3. Then 9 root 9 square root is 3. 3 root 3. So see here, you are getting 7 carry as it is. 16 square root is 4. So I write here 4. So 7 into 4. Are you understand how can you get here 4? If you don't understand, I will explain it again. See, 16 3 is a 48. That is a factorization of 48. So 16 square root is 4. So I write here 4. Okay. So 16 square root is 4. So I write here 4. 7 into 4. So you get 7 into 4. Then another is there. What is there? Root 3 is remain as it is. See, this is the root 3 that remain as it is. Then minus sign carries as it is. Root 9. What is the square root of root 9? The square root of root 9 is 3. So I write here 3. So what is remain in the root 3? Okay. See, this is the 9. 9 square root is what? 3. So it is written here 3. So what is remain in search? 3. So 3 root 3. Minus sign remain as it is. Then it is root 3. So I write here root 3. Anyone doubts? Then see. ज्याला कोणाच्या डोक्यावर गेलं असेल त्यांच्यासाठी मराठीत बघूया एकदा. 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. याच्यात सगळ्यात लहान नंबर कोणता आहे? रूट 3 आहे. मग आपण याचं फॅक्टरायझेशन असं करायचं की प्रत्येक रूट मध्ये आपल्याला 3 3 मिळालं पाहिजे. का 3 3 मिळालं पाहिजे? बिकॉज जर लाईक सर्ट झालं तरच आपल्याला ऍडिशन सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करता येईल. म्हणून आपल्याला प्रत्येक रूट मध्ये 3 3 मिळालं पाहिजे. 3 का मिळालं पाहिजे? कारण इथे सगळ्यात लहान रूट 3 आहे म्हणून तो 3 मिळाला पाहिजे. मग हे 7 कॅरीज ॲज इट इज तसेच कॅरी केले. 48 चं फॅक्टरायझेशन केलं. 16 3 जा 48. ओके. सो दिस 48 कॅन बी फॅक्टराइज हियर. 16 3 जा 48. मायनस साइन कॅरी ॲज इट इज. 27 चं फॅक्टरायझेशन केलं. 9 3 जा 27. ओके. 27 फॅक्टराइज 9 3 जा 27. And root 3 remain as it is. So see, this 7 carry as it is. Here is 16. Whatever be the square root of 16, square root of 16 is 4. So I write here 4. Okay. Then what is remain here? 3 root 3. So here is I write root 3. Then minus sign. So I give here minus sign. Then 9 3s are 27. So 9. What is the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. So I write here 3. So what is remain in the square root? 3 only. So here is root 3. Then this minus root 3 carry as it is. So if you are observe, here is root 3, here is root 3, here is root 3. So each and every terms there you are getting root 3, root 3, root 3. So root 3 are same. So in another type, see there 7 4s are 28. So you get 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. So root 3, root 3, root 3, they are same. So it is a 28 minus 3 minus it is a coefficient 1. So see here. So root 3 same. So it is right single times, only one time because they are common. So that is written single times. Whatever be the coefficient of first root 3? 28. So I write here 28. Whatever the coefficient of second root 3? minus 3. So I write here minus 3. Whatever the coefficient of root 3? There is not given. So 1. So here is 1. So 28 minus 3, 25. 25 minus 1. What is remain? 25 minus 1. What is remain? 24. So you are get 24 root 3. Okay, that is the answer. I hope that you are understand it. Then we are going to see the another, that is root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. See, this is the first problem. Root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. Okay, so here is the root 7, root 7, they are same. So we can write single times it. So see here, what is the coefficient? 1. What is the coefficient? Root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So here is root 7, root 7, root 7, they are same. So that is common, so we can write single time root 7. So root 7 coefficient 1, so I write here 1. Which sign here? Minus, so I give minus. Which is the coefficient here? 3 upon 5, so I write here coefficient 3 upon 5. Then which is the coefficient here? 2, so I write here 2. Okay, so 1 and 2, there is not a denominator given. So there is not a denominator given, so denominator is 1 here. 1 upon 1 denominator, 2 upon 1 denominator, means here is one denominator, here is one denominator in simple language. Okay, that must be, you remember that they are having one denominator. So one denominator, and here is denominator is 5. So denominator are same there? No, denominator are not same. So denominator are not same, so what can you do? We can find out LCM. So whatever be the LCM? 5. So LCM is 5. So here is 5 is multiply 1, 5 1 za 5. So see, 5 is multiply 1, 5 1 za 5. So you are getting 5. 5 2 za 10. So 5 you mine, here is, they are doing all shortcuts, 2 plus 1 3. Then here is 1 is here. So 5 3 za 15. 15 minus 3, you are getting 12. See, plus 2 plus 1, what you get? Plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. So here is 3 minus 3 upon 5. Are you understand how can we get 3 here? If anyone doubts, I will again explain you. Here is plus 1, here is plus 2. Both are same sign, so we can do addition there. So 2 plus 1, what you get? 3. So I write here 3. Then middle term sign minus. Then 3 upon 5. So 3 denominator is not given, so 1. So 1 and 5, LCM is 5. So I write here 5 LCM. Then which number multiple 1? Then you get 5. 5. So 5 3 is 15. 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3, what is remain? 12. 12 root 7. Okay. Such way you are getting 12 root 7 upon 5. That is the answer. Then problem number 7. Multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. Okay. So see, 3 root 12 into root 18. So we want to solve this problem here. 3 root 12 into root 18. So here is square root, means order 2. Here is order 2. So 12 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So that is 4 3 are 12. We are get the 4 square root. Now 18 can be factorized one number square root must be get. 9 2 are 18. So see, this 3 carries as it is. It is a 12. So that 12 is factorized. 4 3 are 12. So that 12 is factorized. 4 3 are 12. Okay. Then 18 is factorized. 9 2 are 18. Why 4 3 are? Because you get the square root of 4, that is 2. You get the square root of 9, that is 3. So see in the another step here, 4 square root 2 right here. So 3 into 2. What is remain in the search? Root 3. So here is I write root 3. 9 2 is 18. So 9 square root is 3. So I write here 3 root 2. So 3 2 is 6 root 3. So here is we write 3 2 is 6 3 is 18. That is multiplication. 3 2 is 6 3 is 18. So I here write 18. Are you understand how can get 18? 3 2 is 6 3 is 18. So you are getting 18. Root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. 3 2 is 6. So 18 root 6. That is the answer. 18 root 6. Then another problem. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. So again this 12 can be factorized. 4 3 is 12. Because that square root you can get easily. So here is 12 can be factorized. 4 3 is 12. And 15, 5 3 is 15. But that factorization you cannot get, so that is remain as it is. So 4 square root is 2. So 3 into 2. See, 12 is factorized. 4 3 is 12. So 4 factorization is 4 square root is 2. So I write here 4 square root 2. So 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is what you get 6. And this root 3 remain as it is. This 7 remain as it is. Root 5 into root 3. So see, means 5 into 3. So that can be factorized root 5 into root 3. Okay. So see, 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So I write here 42. Are you understand how I can get 42? If you don't understand, I again explain you. 3 2s are 6, 6 7 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So here is I write 42 into, see, root 3 into root 3. See, this root 3 into this root 3. So root 3 into root 3, what you get? 3. So here is you get 3. And this root 5 remain as it is. Anyone doubt? 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So you get here 42. This root 3 into this root 3, root 3 into root 3, you get 3. So here is you get 3. Then root 5 remain as it is. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 126 root 5. Okay, that is the answer. Then problem number another. 3 root 8 into root 5. So here is root 8 can be factorized as 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8. So 4 square root is 2 taken here. See, 8 can be factorized 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 4 square root is 2. So here is right 2. So 3 2s are 6. Here is remain 2. Are you understand how can get here root 2? Because root 8 is factorized 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 square root is 2. So here is right 2. And root 2 remain as it is. So that is carry root 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 into root 2 into root 5. 6 root 10. So here is you get 6 root 10. 3 2s are 6. Root 2 into root 5 you get 10. 6 root 10. Then another problem. 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. Here is root 8 same. So it is not necessary to factorize. You can directly get that answer, which is that 8. Because root 8 into root 8 you get 8. Because in the root, if you are multiply root number by root number, then answer is same. Means root a into root a you get a. Root b into root b you get b. Root p into root p you get p. Root 2 into root 2 you get 2. Such a way root 8 into root 8 you get 8. So 5 into 2, what you get? 10. 10 into 8. See, 5 into 2. So I write here 5 into 2. This root 8 into this root 8. Root 8 into root 8, what you get? 8. 5 2s are 10. 10 8s are 80. So you are getting here 80. So I write here 80. Anyone doubts here? Then see another problem, that is the problem number 8. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. So 98 divided by root 2. Okay, 98 divided by root 2. Then another problem is given to us. So I am solve first problem here, 98 divided by root 2. So root 98 divided by root 2. Here is the order is 2, here is the order is 2. Because in search number no number is there. In V shape there is no number is there, so that is 2 there. So order is 2 there. Okay, so root 98 divided by root 2. So root 98 factorized such a way that one number square root must be get. So root 98 is factorized 49 2s are 49 into 2. So here is root 98 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. So you will get here 4. 1 is remain. See here again I am explaining. This is a 98. This is root 2. That is written is 1 square root sign. This is 98 upon 2 because it is divide process. 2 4s are 8. So you get here 4. 9 minus 8 there is 1 remain. And here is 8. 18 become 2 9s are 18. So root 49. So that is here showing you by factorization 49 into 2, that is the 98 divided by 2. These two cancel, so you are getting 7. So 49 square root is 7. See, this root 2 cancel, so what is remain? 49. So root 49 square root is 7. So I write here 7. Anyone doubts here? Then we are going to see the another problem. That is root 125 divided by root 50. That factorization. So again that can be taken in single search sign, means square root sign. 125 divided by 50. So 125 is factorized. 25 5s are 125. Okay, 25 into 5. 25 5s are 125. 50 can be factorized. 25 2s are 50. So this 25 cancel. So what is remain? 5 root 2. So 25 cancel, so remain 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 is the answer. Anyone doubts here? See, order is same, 2, order is same, 2. So that is right in one search only, means 125 divided by 50. So 125 divided by 50 can be factorized such a way. 125 is factorized 25 5s are 125 can be factorized 25 5s are 125. 50 can be factorized 25 2s are 50. So 25 cancel. So we are getting 5 upon 2. So root 5 upon 2 is the answer. Then problem number 3rd, root 54 upon root 27. So see, root 54 upon root 27. So 27, 54 can be factorized 27 2s are 54. Okay, here is they are same, so that is right in single search. So 54 upon 27, so that 54 is factorized such a way 27 into 2. Okay, so 27 into 2, what that is 54, you are getting 27 into 2, and denominator is 27, because that is not way factorized, because this 27 and this 27 is cancelled. Again I explain, root 54 divided by root 27, the order is same, here is 2, here is 2, order is same, so we can write in a single search. Then 54 upon 27, so what can we do? This is the 54 that I kept the cursor there, so that 54 is factorized 27 2s are 54. Okay, so numerator 27 and denominator 27, that is cancelled, so answer is root 2. Anyone doubts? Then we are going to see the problem, last problem, root 310 divided by root 5. Here is also C order 2, here is also C order 2. So they are right in a single search, root 310 upon root 5, right single search 310 upon 5. So 310 is factorized such a way that 65 into 2. So 62 into 5. So what you get, just see. 310 is factorized. 310 is factorized such a way 62 into 5. You can check it whether your answer is wrong or correct. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 is carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So 310 factorization is 62 into 5. Anyone doubts? Are you understand? So why are you only doing 62 into 5? Because numerator 5 and denominator 5, they are cancelled. So I am factorized 310 62 into 5. Okay, anyone doubts here? So 5 is cancelled, remain is 62. So root 62 is the answer. I hope that all of the students are understand it very well. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So if I am giving you homework, that homework you solve well and send me, I will check that homework and I know that whether you are understand what I taught or not understand. Okay, so please do your homework, and if you are not subscribed the channels, I hope that all of the students are subscribed the channel, but if not, some of the students are not subscribed till, then they are subscribed. And if you are subscribed, then you share this video with your friends which is learning 9th standard and say them to subscribe it. Have a nice day, stay home, stay safe and study hard. Goodbye.